The Little Farmer's Farm has set up this challenge for content providers to give at least 3 channels that we watch apart from gardening channels. So I thought we'll give it a go and see what you think. First channel I'd like to nominate is Marty T from New Zealand. He specialises in finding old machinery and trying to get them going again. There's some lovely scenery in the mountains of New Zealand and his new yard that he's trying to develop. I think you'll really enjoy this channel. Number 2 in the challenge is TomPemberton Farm Life. This is Tom with his father. They have a farm over in England, dairy farm, and it shows you the day-to-day running of the farm. He's very good at promoting other farmers on YouTube, so I thought I'd give him a shout out. And number 3, this is Andrew Camarata from America. He's currently building a shipping container shed. He's putting a new steel roof onto it. He's very good at mechanicking. He shows a lot of different Chryslers and Ford vehicles and showing how they should be made, and shows you what maintenance he does on them. He has a maintenance company as well, where he goes out and does a bit of new road builds and pulling out trees and things. He's very good. It's always fascinating to watch. So I hope you like my choice, these 3. Perhaps you'll give them all a sub. That's all for now. Thanks.